Hi guys, I'm here with my husband. Say hi, honey.
Hello, everybody.
And we're here to show you what we have the day after Christmas, where we went.
Deltona, Florida.
And we went to what stores?
At home in Lake Mary and Target in Orange City.
And we have a couple of items. They were on sale for 50 to 70% off. Most of them were 50. And we ready to show you. These was bought at home. And what we're using this for?
I don't know, whatever you decide.
We're probably gonna use it on our table next year. Nelson Law Train. So this is gonna be our arrangement. We're gonna do a lot of things and we're gonna share it with you. We're gonna be able to record it and show it to you. We have more stuff to share with you. Here we have, this is a big thing. I'm sorry for the struggle. What is this, honey?
Reindeer.
It's a reindeer. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see it good from there?
Yeah.
Okay. That's from At Home too. And we have, it's like a branch and it's with a little furry ball. And we have flowers. How do you call it? I forgot the name.
So, babe, those are green poinsettias.
Green poinsettia. They're very nice. They were $1.99 and 50% off, so we paid like 99 cents for it. And the branch were like $2.99. We paid half of it. The reindeer was $19.99. We paid $10. And the train was $29.99. We paid $14.99.
So, we have a few more things to show you from the At Home store. That is a Christmas countdown to Christmas truck.
It's so pretty. This is a bag that you use, a get bag for like wine or rum or, like a liquor that you wanted to give. This was $2.99. We paid $1.50, and the countdown was $5.99. We paid $2.99. This is the last item we have from At Home, and these are green ornaments. We have a couple of Christmas tree, and we have some Christmas ornament balls. They were $2.99. They were half price, so it was like $1.50, and these ones were $1.99, so they were like 99 cents. We wanted to do like a green, a little like wine color theme next year, so that's why we picked these colors. They are very, very pretty. So this is our At Home shopping haul the day after Christmas. And
And next up is the stuff we got from Target, which will be coming up next. So with all the at-home stuff out of the way, here comes the Target stuff.
And here we have an artificial tree that we're gonna decorate next year with you guys. It was 70% off. We're gonna leave a clip where when we were in the store, so you can see it. And they have a lot of stuff. Well, they were pretty empty, but they have a lot of trees and beautiful trees. This one was $4.49, and this one we paid $1.50. It was $3. It's a little branch. I love it. We're gonna put some lights on it. Later on, we're gonna show you another haul from other stores. Right here, we have their fabric. They're like fabric Christmas tree, and they were, I don't remember how much were they. Oh, they were $10. So, but we pay. This was 70% off. So we pay 70% off out of the $10. I love Christmas tree, so we got a lot. This we have to decorate another Christmas tree, but this is like a shell thing, so we can put like a village, so we can put the Christmas tree. We get those, and we got a bunch of different sizes. Some of them are glass, the other ones are like how you call that? Ceramic, and they different colors and heights, and they are so pretty. This ones actually were like 50 cents, the small ones. They were like 50 cents each. So we have that. This was $1.50, which I think it was an amazing price. It was really good price. Here we have another countdown to Christmas. Very pretty. We pay $1.50 for that one too. And we have some branches. They're wood, like wood branches, and I wanted to make like a very nice arrangement, and I'm gonna use those for that. You guys are going to be able to see it once we do it next year. Here we have an ornament in green. You're gonna see a lot of green because this is one of the main colors that we're trying to do next year. We also have these reindeers. There are black reindeers, little ones. They're like ceramic too. And we're gonna try to put them in here, make it nice. Another ornament that we got are these little spikes.
I guess stars. I don't know.
Yeah, they're probably like a little stars things. They were very cheap too. They were like 40 something cents. It's very nice. We're running out of space. And then we have the last but not least, we have a barn. We have a barn. It had a light thing here. So we can light it up. I'm not gonna pull it because then the battery is gonna die. But this is our haul from
At Home and Target.
Thank you for watching and be with us. And there was a saving, and I want to let you know. At Target, we saved $70.89, and at home we saved $40, which is a good, very very good saving. We like to buy after Christmas because we save money, and we're gonna take you with us next year. Okay, thank you guys.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell for notifications.
Thank you.
Bye bye.